मोहम्मद राशिदुद्दीन हामिद अब्बास।
Hamid. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also good. But where are you going?
You know I have graduated from Jamia Islamia Noori Tala Banaras in 2019 and I am looking for a job. Today I have an interview in a company and I am going for that.
Don't worry. I hope you will get the job.
For the last 6 months I am trying to get a job but failed every time.
Oh, it's sad to know. But bro, you are very talented student and work hard in madrasa. Your general knowledge and Arabic are also good. So why do you think you failed in interview?
Yeah, but bro, my English is not good. Companies reject me because I cannot speak English. I wish I had studied English a little bit and I could speak it in interview. Then I would have got the job and earn some money for my family.
You know, bro, 2 months ago I was facing the same problem and then I decided to learn English at Marufi Educational Foundation. MashaAllah, today I can speak English. I would suggest you to join MEF and improve your English speaking. Inshallah, within few months you will be able to speak and then you can pass in any interview.
Tell me, what is the Murphy Educational Foundation and what they are doing?
Marufi Educational Foundation is an organization that helps students about education. Recently, they started English coaching center in Pura Maruf, and the course is very effective for everyone.
How long this course is?
This is 1-year diploma course, and they will teach you everything about English, like writing, speaking, reading.
Oh, thank you so much, bro, for guidance and information. Inshallah, I will join the course and thank you very much again.
You are welcome, bro, and best of luck for your future.
Thanks, Allah.
Allah Hafiz.